Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Monkey Coco stem box. So this is clearly a children's, you can tell by the box, look how cute it is. So this is a children's STEM subscription box, so it does help with science, technology, engineering, and math, which is what STEM, which is an acronym, stands for. $34.90 monthly. I do have a coupon code, but the prices are reduced if you subscribe for like a 3-month or a 6-month subscription. I don't know what's in here. We're going to find all that out together. I just took, I'm still Marie Kondoing my home. I'm working on my vanity right now, and I'm in the show, everything up to this point has been easy. I'm like, I know what I want to get. I already see it in my head. I envision it. When it comes to my vanity and my skincare and my makeup, I have a serious attachment, and it's hard. I'm overwhelmed. I'm I'm going to break for lunch. I'm going to go went to Chick-fil-A. They have the tortilla soup. Had to enjoy some of that. And now I'm going to make this video and just I'm meditating on it. I'm thinking about it. I'm taking those few steps and just letting it all sink in. It's literally to my right. I can see it right now on the floor, beckoning and all that stuff. So I'm just considering all the options I have. But in the meantime, we have this fun thing, which I will do with my kids tonight. I'll take pictures. I will put it all in a blog review so you guys can check it out. If you want to see it in action more than just the unboxing, I will link to them below. I will link to the review as well. I will also put there's a 20% off coupon. I'll put that down there as well, just in case. All right. So you open up. This is what you got. It looks as though there's just everything is segmented. So this is one kit. This is the Crossing Fire line. So it looks like an electronic, an engineering task. I can smell the wood. I usually have my husband help with these because he's just so much, and this is sad, but it's why we teach our kids these things. He's just so much more inclined than I am with these sorts of things. I try, and if I sort of can't do it, I don't say anything. I'm just like, hey, you want to help? And then he ends up taking over. But this looks like you're going to be making this little monkey cross this, and there's wood in here, there's wires, it looks like a little motor, and some other little items as well, which is really cool. So that looks awesome. I love that kind of stuff. It's really good to get kids, especially girls, who tend to drop off in mathematics and things like that as they get older, a little older, middle school and things like that. They see the numbers go down as far as achieving and, retaining the information they're taught. So it's really good to hammer all those ideas in while you have them at home too, because they don't just learn at school. So that's my own philosophy. So anyway, this one we're going to be making, oh my gosh, how cute is this? You're going to make a little light, a table lamp. Look at this. So by the way, can we just say something really quick? This is the first time I've gotten a box that it really is a true STEM box. So far we are making and creating things that require engineering. They're going to require technology, all those things. Sometimes it's STEAM, which includes art, which I think we're actually going to have a little bit here. But it's a lot of that kind of stuff, crafting to get to the point. So right here we have some paint. I think this is going to be used to paint your actual light, which is where you're going to get a little bit of the STEAM action. And then we have, all right, so this is cool. This book, it shows you how to, this is awesome. A basic circuit. So I guess now this is my guess. This is the unboxing guess. I guess this is because I don't know anything before I go in. They may all be themed. So this one teaches you how to create a basic circuit, which is very cool. And inside there is an illustrated how-to. Do you know what is circuit? What is the circuit made up of? Come and learn with Coco. So this is Coco. Many appliances in our homes use mains electricity to work. Without it, our lives would be darker, duller, and colder. Small electrical appliances often use batteries which store electricity. These appliances can be moved from place to place. Batteries eventually run down and need to be replaced or recharged. So electricity is dangerous. It goes through all the safety must-haves, but it shows you how to create a full circuit. You see how they have it there? The current is traveling to here from the battery, and then that is powering the light, and then I don't know why it's going back to you have to complete the circuit. Such as a battery around a series of components, the circuit back to the power source. If there is a gap in the circuit, no electricity will flow. So that's just me reading it and, you know, implying the little bit of knowledge I have. I don't have a whole lot, but this is really cool. So you can actually, if you don't know how basic circuits work, as an adult, you will learn something as well. And I do like that it's illustrated and you are actually learning the idea behind it, the science behind it. That's really cool. So right here, they go through all the little parts. You have your bulb, your motor, your buzzer, your switch on and off. It's the same switch. Batteries, and then the battery cell. And then they're showing you really, really with great imagery how exactly the electricity will flow through. So, probably the first time I've received something so comprehensive. We've received things before, but basically it's step by step. Do this, then do this, then do this. And really, it's not always, especially if you're the type of learner like me, I don't want to know just what to do. I want to know why I'm doing it so that I can kind of break it apart in my head and understand. And that's what it looks like this is doing, which is really cool. Am I like long-winding you guys? I'm sorry. So then we have a little Coco sticker, 2 of them actually. Series circuits, parallel circuits. Oh, so these are just like, they call them knowledge cards. And they tell you about different types of circuits. So this is a parallel circuit. This is a series circuit. And then there's a to-do list. Check at the end of the name when you finished a toy. Oh, so these are all, okay. So this is the month 3 box. It tells you here table lamp and crossing fire line. There is also in the other boxes, let's just read them off, a periscope and a kaleidoscope. Doesn't that sound like so much fun? Newton's cradle, which is that thing that goes like this. There's like 5 silver balls. Electrothermal cutting machine. Wow, I don't even know what that is. Vacuum cleaner, neat. Suspended ball. Then there's dehydrated. Everyone comes with 2 kits and a doodle robot. 6 is Thomas train and tank. 7 is biplane and amphibious vehicles. So they go through different types of mechanics. Electric drying machine and 4-legged crawling robot. Then we have a walking robot and an oscillating fan, which is interesting. Never thought about that myself. Then we have a handmade generator and a hand crank generator. And then there's an electric lift and a stone throw chariot. And then there's also a solar fan and a wind turbine. So I don't know if this is the only boxes that they have or this is just what they have right now. So this is the 3rd box in the series. This is really cool. I can't wait to do it. I think my husband's going to nerd out to it too, to be honest. So that is everything that I received in my, I keep reversing the names. It's Monkey Coco Stem Box. I keep wanting to say Coco Stem Monkey Box. So check out the review below if you're interested. Also check out Monkey Coco Stem Box. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.